Good morning, grade 2. How are you all doing? It's a beautiful Monday morning. I hope you all had a wonderful night rest. All right, our topic today is output unit. So I want to welcome you all to our online computer class. And today's date is 20 September 2021. And our core value is responsibility. Don't forget that always be responsible wherever you go. And make sure you do the right thing at the right time. Now, let's quickly take a quick review on our previous topic. Our previous topic, we talked about input devices. What is an input devices? What do you know about input devices? The input devices are used to input data into a computer. Do you still remember the pictures of an input devices like the mouse? Okay, how about the keyboard? Okay, very good. The scanner and the barcode reader. These are all the input devices. They are called the input devices. Now, our lesson objectives. What is our lesson objective? At the end of those lessons, students should be able to, number one, define the output unit. And number two, recognize the output unit. And number three, answer activities. Now, our warm-up, guess the picture. What is behind the color grid? What is behind the color grid? The printer, very well, the printer. And again, what is behind the color grid? A speaker, well done, a speaker. What is behind the color grid? A monitor, well done, a monitor. What is behind the color grid? Headphone, well done, headphone. Now let's arrange the letters to unlock the correct word. What is the first letter? O, U, T, P, U, N, T. Can we read the word together? Output. Again, output. Now let's go to the next one. U, N, I, T, and S is called what? Unit. Can we read the word together now? Output unit. Now, look at the screen. These are called the output devices or output unit. The printer, the speaker, the monitor, and the headphone. Now, what is an output devices or what is an output unit? The device that displays information and result of processed input data are called output devices. The device that displays information and result of processed input data are called output devices. Now, let's take a look at the monitor. What is the monitor? What is it used for? This monitor is used to display whatever we type, whatever you type on your monitor or whatever you draw. It displays everything on the screen. It displays everything on the screen. It also displays the movement of a mouse pointer. Now, the monitor also, this monitor, the information we see on the monitor is called a soft copy. After typing or drawing, the information you see on the screen is called a soft copy. Now let's talk about the speaker. What is a speaker? A speaker is a hardware device that connects to a computer to produce a loud sound, okay? A speaker is an hardware device that connects to the computer to produce a sound, all right? Now let's go to the next one, headphone. Again, headphone. Do you have a headphone? What is this headphone used for? The headphone gives out the sound output that produced from a computer. The headphone gives out the sound output that produces from the computer. One more time, the headphones give out the sound output that is produced from a computer. Now let's talk about printer. This is a color printer. A printer, this printer prints out the output. Whatever you type on your from your keyboard to your monitor that displays on the monitor, this printer helps you to print them out. And when it's printed out, it is called a hard copy. Remember, I told you that whatever that is displayed on the monitor is called soft copy. Why? Because they are being displayed there, not yet printed out. But when they are printed out, it is called a hard copy. And remember that this printer also prints colored papers or black and white. So we have printers that print colored or black and white. So very soon we are going to be looking at some printers that print in colored and print in black and white. Now let's take a look at black and white printer. You remember I told you that there are some printers print in black and white. These are the printers that print only in black and white, and it comes out this way. Don't forget that whatever you print out is called hard copy, okay? It's called what? A hard copy. And whatever that is on your computer screen inside your computer is called a soft copy. So this printer here prints out our document in black and white. Now let's take a look at the colored printer. These printers, they print in colored, okay? Like this, you can easily see them in color. It makes them more beautiful, okay? These color printers, they print in colors, okay? Now, what are the input devices again? Can you tell me number one? Printer, very good. Speaker, monitor, headphone. One more time. Printer, speaker, monitor, and headphone. Now, tick the output unit. Tick the output unit. Very well, the headphone. The keyboard is not an output unit, it's an input unit. We discussed that last time. Printer, output. Mouse, input. Black and white printer, output. Monitor, output. Now, open your book to page 10 of your book activity. Now we are going to write the numbers of the units shown below, either in output or input, okay? The first line here is called the input and the second one is output. Number one is input. Number two is output. Number three is input. Number four is input. Number five is output. Number six is output. Number seven is output. Number eight is also output. Number nine is input. And number 10 is also an input. Now you're going to write, you're going to bring out your 4-line computer notebook and write the sentence you can see on your screen. Output devices. The devices that displays information and result of the processed input data are called output devices. So what did you learn today? Can you tell me the examples of an output device? Can you say it out? So I'm going to keep my mouth shut. I want you to say it. Let's go. Number one is what? Very good. Number two. Very well. Number three. Number four. Excellent. Grade 2. So all these are called the output units or output devices. So I'll see you all in our next class. Until then, don't forget to be safe, be respectful, and be responsible. Bye, grade 2. See you in our next class.